My name's Vince Galvin. I'm Chief Revenue Officer for Interware, based in Nottingham in the UK. Workflow Plus there's three elements to it. There is the instruction, induction, and then remote expert. And we've kept them separate, but they're linked together in the whole kind of ecosystem. So instruction is literally as it says. We are building guided work instructions for our customers' workers. From a paper document, from verbal processes, which we've often helped them with, however they store and they run their current processes. So we can convert it very quickly into a digital file. We make it nice and simple and uncomplicated, so a worker themselves can get hands-on to feel it's their toolkit. For induction, we've got a solution here where customers are visiting a premises and they want to know that worker is safe on the premises, that they've attended at the right time, they've got the right credentials, they've seen all the health and safety guide, and they want to have some evidence there that they're looking after visitors. And then Remote Expert works within Workflow Plus instruction. So as a worker is going through their process, then at any time they can call for expert help, over-the-shoulder mentor to guide them through and share documents backwards and forwards. One of the kind of guiding principles about our business is that firstly, it must be simple and easy to use for everybody, but it also must be open and able to integrate, because this changes how you think about your business. It makes a really big difference to people's lives. And we're proud to be a long-term partner with RealWear.